guys, happy Tuesday. Now that there is less smoke in the air, we just recently got snow here. Got a lot more natural light, so I thought it'd be a good day to go through my recent order of Paracord and show you what I got. I've primarily focused on new camo colors and some more options for red, white, and blue themes. Some of my camo colors are getting low, and it's going to be very difficult, if even possible at all, to replace the exact name and the shades that I've had before. I have typically kind of ordered from random places wherever I kind of have wanted, but I think I'm going to primarily stick with Atwood Rope Manufacturing. Not because I got the free sweater in the box, but, you know, a little side bonus. But I think Atwood is just a little bit more durable, better quality overall, and then consistent from shipment to shipment in the shade of the color that I'm getting. So I'm going to probably switch most of my business to them, which means some of the colors will translate over. They'll just be known as a different name. Others, I'm not going to find the exact same pattern, but I'll have something similar in pattern or color from Atwood. But to kind of, for one example, the very first one, technically I do have this color. It's the same exact pattern and same exact shade as this one, but currently I ordered it under the name Stars and Stripes. This one in particular is named Flag. So something like that, you'll just see the name of the color actually switch, but it'll be the same exact products that you might have seen before. This one is actually would be a new one. This one's called Patriot. So very similar to Stars and Stripe, but just a little more abstract, I would say, in the pattern itself. This one I really like. It's called Bomb Pop. So of course it reminds me of summer in July, eating a popsicle on the sidewalk. I don't know, something. This one is Captain America. So again, red, white, and blue, but has actually some stripes of black in there to kind of break up that pattern. A little less bright in your face color. That's actually all I got for red, white, and blue. So 4 or 3 new ones, but it works. This one I've been actually crazy about for a while now, so I just had to get it. It's called Summit. So it has some purple, some gray, teal, orange, and black. But I'm really excited to pair that with a teal of some kind and really give a pop of color. This one is actually kind of similar to the Cord Desert Storm that I have currently. This one is just a little bit darker than that. But Desert Storm is going to be one of those that I'm going to have a very, very hard time finding. And if I find it, it's more than likely not the quality that I'm going to want, or it's going to burn differently than what I'm used to. So this is probably going to be the primary shade of that brown camo that I've had before of that Desert Storm, but will now be Quicksand. This one is called Cookies and Cream. So kind of similar to that Quicksand color, but a little bit darker in the browns and a little more of that tan color that's present as well. So that's going to be a new one. I mostly got those 2 like brown shades of camos. Next we kind of move into some more green hues. These 2 are actually very similar. They're actually the same pattern, but a little bit in different shades. So this one is actually called Growler, and it's got some lighter greens, some more muted tones of greens with a little bit of like a gold or tan. This one is called Stryker. So again, same pattern, but more dark green, black, a little bit of silver, some tan, just to kind of break up that. So I kind of realized that they were the same pattern after I had them in my cart, and I couldn't decide, so now we got both. Stryker and Growler. This one is called Marsh. So again, a little more greens. There's actually no black in this one at all, so dark green, olive greens, some tans. Yeah. These two are also very similar. Again, didn't want to decide, so I got them both. Comache is some olive green with like spirals of black rotating through. This one is dark night, so black with a little bit of tan. So same exact pattern again, just one is more green, one is more black. This dark night I'm probably actually gonna supplement in for the cord I have now called Touch of Gray. It kind of has stripes of gray through it. This was about the closest pattern that I can get to that cord. So that'll be one of those little changes. This one I actually already have, again, just restocked it, called Octane. Some black, silver, gray, yellow, orange, and red. So nice warm hues. And then all of the other ones that I got were just staples in solid colors. So Coyote Brown, again, I already have that, and just a regular brown. I have an acid brown right now, so it's a little bit more vibrant than this one here, but I'll probably mostly stick with that brown color for my stock. When we move to the grays, this one can get a little confusing. So what I got in the shipment is smoke, graphite, and charcoal gray. What I have currently is a silver gray. It's the exact same color as this, so that name will kind of change over time as you find that. I'll probably do more in-depth posts as these colors come up and I make those changes. I technically have a charcoal gray right now, but the funny thing is the charcoal I have is this color, graphite. So, you know, if you do an order with me, I'm going to probably pull out every shade of gray that I have and see exactly which one that you actually want, because those names are going to be kind of a little funny and switching. And then of course black, because always need black, run out of that pretty quickly. So that's all that I got in the shipment from last week. I did get a new spool of like the teal micro cord that you've seen before. I just ran out of it, so restocked that. But yeah, that's what's in the box today. Message me if you've got any questions or want to do any kind of consult or custom order. I'm always here for that. Otherwise, have an awesome day.